Yes, look, that question, it's 2 minus 2, which is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0 divided by 0 times 0 is equal to this row. So 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. And 0 divided by 0 times 0, it will also be equal to 0. So 0 will be our answer, but remember that all this is not correct. We have solved it incorrectly, so I will solve it again. So first of all, we have to move from left to right, and we have followed a rule which is PEMDAS rule, in which first of all parentheses should be solved, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. So first of all, we will solve this division because we have to move from left to right. So 2 divided by 2 will be equal to 1. And remaining portion will be as it is. So 2 minus as it is. This is changed into 1. So minus 2 times 2 minus 2 as it is. If you see the order of operation, multiplication will be there. So we have to solve this multiplication. So we will get to 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2. So 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1 minus 4 minus 2. So 1 minus 4 will be equal to minus 3 minus 2, which will be equal to minus 5. Hence minus 5 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my video.